Hello friends, in today's video, I will tell you how to change the name of your desktop PC in Windows 11. Let's get started. For this, you need to click on the Start menu and then go to the search bar and search for About Your PC. Click on About Your PC in the search results. Then a window like this will open in front of you. Here you can see the name of your PC, and below it, you can see the device specifications. To change the PC name, you need to click on Rename this PC, and type whatever name you want for your PC here. I'm typing TechAi. Then click on the Next button. After restarting, your PC's name will be changed. So let me restart it. You can see after restarting my PC's name. My PC's name has been saved as TechAi. So in this video, we learned how we can change the name of our computer in Windows 11 operating system. That's it for today's video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just comment below. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.